What wheel spacers are best for Toyota Hilux? BONOSS Toyota Hilux wheel spacers are safe to use. They are attachments that go between the wheel and the hub, creating more distance between them. They can improve the look, performance, and stability of your vehicle. Choosing a good set of Toyota Hilux wheel spacers that can make a big difference in your off-roading performance. BONOSS Toyota Hilux wheel spacers are made of high-strength 6061 T6 and 7075 T6 aluminum alloy materials. After continuous tons of pressure, the forging process eliminates internal voice pockets and weaken metal parts, maximizing fatigue resistance and increasing impact strength. If you use Toyota Hilux wheel spacers, make sure the provided wheel locks are strong enough. BONOSS wheel spacer with grade 12.9 wheel studs are of higher strength than others with grade 10.91, which mostly reduce the wheel stud broken problem.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.